I think snap button is taking over normal button because of the way it looks on a dress. It actually appears to be very, very beautiful compared to normal buttons that we use. You can see how neat and beautiful, simple this snap button is looking. They have a lot of different types of snap buttons. They have the glass one, they have the plastic one. So this one I used is the plastic one, black. I think they have different colors. You can see how easy it is, and it's very strong. Once you snap it, it's very strong. You know, normal button, when you put it, sometimes it becomes so free that you'll be walking, your shirt will be opening. But for these snap buttons, there is nothing like that. You can see this dress I just finished making. You can see this shirt dress. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So I want to actually teach us how to make these snap buttons. It's very strong, it's very beautiful, and very, very easy to make. Once you have your rivet machine, and they have a separate machine for these snap buttons, but I use the multi-purpose rivet machine. I've been talking about this machine in my videos. I've used it to teach how to do the cover buttons. You can go ahead and watch the video. So now I want to also teach how to make these snap buttons. So if this is kind of video you're interested in watching, please stick with me. Let's get started. So now you need your rivet machine. Okay, need your rivet machine for this. I call it multi-purpose rivet machine. So for this machine, it comes with different dies. Like, you buy different dies for it. Once you buy the machine, you have to buy dies for it, and I've talked about it. So today we'll be using these dies. This dies is for snap button. It comes like this is the main one. I call the bigger one their father, and I call the smaller ones their mother and the daughter. Okay, you can name it anyhow you want it, just to be easier for you. So these are the snap buttons. It's three like this. Okay, this is the bigger one that has pin with it. You can see it now. I call this the father too. This is the one that will be going to that bigger one. And this one, you can see they have one that the back is smooth, while they have another one that the front and back is kind of pointed. So it's three like this. So for you to make a snap button, you need one of that big one and one of the other one, and the other part you need one of the big one and one of the smaller one too. So you can see this one now. This is the one that will be snapping inside the other one. So you put it here. This one as well, you put it on the bigger one as well. So you need two of that big one that the mouth is pointed. Okay, you need two of them and one each of the other one. You can see this one now. So for you to make your snap button, the place where you're putting it have to be strong. Okay, you have to fold it, or you put your gum stay, because if it's light, if the material is light, after doing it, it might just come off. So first, this bigger one that has pointed mouth goes to that big one, and this one, okay, that the mouth is pointed, goes to the other one, and the one that the back is smooth goes to the other one. So each of them, they have their own work. So if you follow up now, trust me, you will learn how to make your snap button. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy, guys. So you can see what I'm doing here. Just put it like this. That's how it works. And this one that is pointed will go to that bigger one. Okay, so now let's start with making of the snap button proper. Assuming this is your shirt that you want to put your snap button, you can see that this material is light. So the edge where you're putting your snap button, you have to sew it like this. You can even put your gum stay. It's just the way you fold the mouth of where you put your button, your shirt, that button area where how you fold it to be stronger than the normal bodies. That's how you do it. Okay, if not, when you put your snap button, it will come off. So first, you put this bigger one down here. You can go ahead and screw this to tighten it if it's not tight. So now you put this one is for the one that is pointed. You can see now. So if you are doing, you have to do one line first, one line first, then you do the other one that will have to snap inside it. Okay, so you screw it like this. If you look under here, see something like screw here. Okay, so you just screw the head just like I will do now. This head, you can see that you can see this one, how I put it here, or you can go ahead and screw it before you put that. Okay, go ahead and screw the dies first. So just watch and see what I want to do now. After you screw it like I'm doing so, just make sure it's very, very tight when you screw it. So guys, after screwing it, this is the one that will go inside. This one that is pointed. Okay, this one, because it will be the one to snap inside the other one, so you just fix it on that dice. You see this one that is flat, this one that is flat, so this one that is pointed, just put it here, make it to face up. The place that will snap inside the other one, make it to face up, then put the one that is pointed down. You can see after doing it, it will snap like this. So now just place it from the right side like this, place it this way, then go ahead and just gently press this. Don't do it too much, just gently press it, then remove it. After you remove it, you notice that that one that is pointed have already gone flat. You can see this one, you know, is pointed and this one down. So when you do it now, it will not be flat. That pointed edge will not be flat. That is to say that you've done it very well. You can see this pointed area and now is flat. You can see this is snap button here. You can see how beautiful it is looking, and it doesn't come. If you do it very well, it will be very tight, it won't come off. You can see it's very tight. So now I'll go ahead and demonstrate another one. Okay, so what did I do? This bigger one that is pointed will be down, while this one of this smaller one will go inside. Okay, so this one will be here. I'm just going to place this fabric like this, just place it. Then this one that will snap inside the other one. Okay, that mouth, just put it, make it to face up, put inside the dies, then go ahead and press it this way. Go ahead and press it, then remove it, and that's all. Once that pointed edge is flattened, it will be very strong. Okay, if it's not flattened, that means you didn't do it well. So now you're going to snap it this way. Okay, so now that means if you are doing the other side, see this one, see what I'm talking about, see this one that is flat. Okay, that flattened edge, and you can see the other one that I just did, it's still that it's pointed and the back is pointed as well. You can see, so that pointed edge is going inside this flat one. So you can see this flat one. So let me go ahead and remove these dies and put the other one. The other one is for the one that is the back is flattened. Okay, this one is for the other one that the back is flattened. So I'm going to screw this in for us to do the other one that the back is flattened. I'm going to screw this in. So guys, please, you can use your super thanks to appreciate this video. Help me like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comment. So this flattened edge is going inside that big one. So I will just screw the up on that dice, the one at the top. Okay, so now I'm just going to place it this way. And then gently press it. And then remove it. You can see. So you're going to just snap it this way. You see. So now once that flat one, the one that the mouth is pointed, okay, once maybe from the left is coming from the right side, is at the right side, that means the other side it will be inside for you to snap, for you to know that you are getting it. Okay, the one that has pointed edge, if from the left side we are doing your snap button from the left side, is outside, that means at the right side it will be inside. You get, you can fix it anyhow you want it, but just know that one part is carrying left, the other side it will be inside. The left is outside while the right one it will be inside, for you to know that you are getting it very well. So I'm just going to demonstrate this one again, the same step that we use. That's just it. It's very very simple, guys. If you just follow the steps, it's very very simple. Just know that your snap buttons, it comes in different types, okay, the glass one and the plastic one, and it's always three. It's always three. This one that the mouth is pointed, the other one that the back is flat, and the one that the two is pointed as well. So it's very very easy and it's very simple. Thank you guys. If you have watched to this end, you are the real VIP. You can appreciate this video by using my super 10. See you next time when I post video. Thank